And the report card survey. Itong report card survey is because the clients are now educated on the kind of service,
Yes, ma'am.
how much they should be paying, and how much the receipt should show,
Right.
yung mga ganon. Then, we interview clients. Oo. Meron talaga kaming survey questionnaire approved by the NSDB that we use, no? When we ask the
Scientific yan, ha?
questions. Scientific,
Oo, hindi naman
proven.
bara-bara ba yan, no?
Hindi. Oo. Tsaka this is where the clients can really give the feedback. Kung gaano
Hindi nyo sila susumbong, ganun.
Hindi. It's
Treated with anonymity.
treated with anonymity, yes. Confidential, yung mga
Confidential.
respondents. Oo. But after that, we gather everything.
Oo.
We make a report
But
and
that's
give
the
it to the
basis na.
agency head.
But that's the basis na nga for you to really go deeper, right?
Yes.
Yung sinabi ng
That's when
respondents.
we really go and volunteer our services to the agency. Hey, there really is something wrong. We can help you. Yun. And then we can schedule the assistance that we can render to them.
Ayun. That is both for local governments
And national.
national governments
Yes.
also. I mean, the departments that are doing business in the area,
Yes.
right? Nako, meron palang nagbabantay ng...
Oo, lalo na, di ba? Tuwid na daan.
Wow.
And yung ating theme ngayon is championing race. Yung responsive, accessible, courteous, and effective service. Oo.
Efficient.
We're saying that it should be effective. Not merely efficient.
Oo, dapat double E yun. Racy.
Kaya public service
Oo.
excellence at full speed na tayo
Full speed,
ngayon.
oo.
Pinapakita, nagyayabang na tayo ng konti na kakayanin naman
pwede na
natin.
naman kasi mas mataas pa kung minsan tayo magbayad sa private sector ngayon, di ba? Meron na tayong mga levels, mga salary grades.
Yes, salary standardization natin.
Standardization na mas magandang sinasahod natin sa mga
Yes,
korporasyon.
that's true.
Di ho ba?
Oo.
So they have to give the commensurate
Service.
Oo. Kailangan hindi lang puro sweldo ang tumataas, pati yung responsibilidad.
At yung pagbibigay serbisyo
Oo.
talaga.
Yan naman ang tayo, di ba?
Nakakapagpapasaya na ng
Oo.
kliyente.
Yung smiling na talaga yung mga taong bayan, no? So tuloy-tuloy yan, ha? Baka ngayon lang si
Tuloy-tuloy.
Pinoy. Nandito.
Well,
Baka wala na si Pinoy.
last
na
year,
naman yan.
we started with our model city and model province
Okay.
na ginawa namin ng report card survey. In fact, the provincial government of Zambales
Oo.
was able to get an award.
Last year.
Seal of Excellence. Oo.
May
Then,
premyo ba yan? May
this
cash
year,
award?
meron. May
Cash
cash,
rewards?
75,000.
Pwede na.
Pero that is for improving the services pa rin and the facilities.
Pero the fact that from amongst the provinces, you got this award,
Yes, oo. Kukunti lang, actually.
Hindi mo na mabibili yun, no?
Yes,
Wala nang...
that's true.
Oo.
And then this year, 10% of the agencies here in the region will be subjected to the report card survey.
Ayun.
In fact,
Nakikinig
we're
ba kayo
ending.
Nagmo-monitor ba kayo sa media? Yung kino-complain nilang mga government agencies, dapat minomonitor nyo
Actually,
rin.
ang ginawa namin, meron talagang nakaset ang komisyon.
Oo.
From top level.
Opo.
Okay, these are the agencies that we're going to focus on. Ganon. And then, we will inform the media again of the results of the nationwide.
Oo. Kasi nung kausap ko sa telepono, interview ko si Ms. Henson, no? May nagko-complain naman, DFA naman ang kino-complain. Tamang-tama, kaya pala hindi siya nakapunta sa radyo, pupunta nga sila sa DFA.
Yes, nakaschedule siya
Nakaschedule,
sa
oo.
DFA for the report card survey.
Okay, maganda ba? Maganda yan, ha? Merong nagbabanday talaga, ha? Baka naman may favoritism kayo, ganyan.
Wala naman, kasi everything is documented
Oo. Scientific
Tapos
nga, no?
bina-validate.
Oo.
May validation process
Hindi nyo pwedeng
kasi.
gamitin din pang kung galit ka doon.
Hindi.
Titirahin natin yan.
Hindi.
Away natin yan. Ganon.
Hindi.
Hindi pwede yun.
Oo.
Mabuti naman, fair, no?
Oo. And I really make sure that our employees who are going around right now conducting the survey are really doing their jobs.
Monitor nyo yung ma'am, yung mga radyo, ganyan. Yung mga dyaryo, kung sino mga...
Yeah, I do read
Oo.
the local newspapers to check on the
Yung mga ganun,
quality
no?
of service that we render. Oo.
Kasi minsan may bahid ng katotohanan yun eh.
Meron talaga, di
Oo,
ba?
oo.
Oo naman.
Anyway, ma'am, this, kasi baka maubusan tayo ng oras, kailangan mag-announce ka. May examination this October.
Meron pong examination
For?
on October 16. Okay? At ito ay for the prof and sub-prof.
Okay.
Meron lang
For
kaming
Region 3 yan.
announcement.
For
For
Region
Region 3. Oo, meron lang kaming announcement dahil meron kaming mga notice of school assignment na naipamigay para sa Pampanga High School.
Okay.
Hindi po namin magagamit ang Pampanga High School because DepEd is conducting their alternative learning system qualifying examination. No? And so we had to look for other schools. So please, yung mga nakatanggap ng Pampanga High School, expect that we will be sending you notices of your new school assignments.
In all probability, saan matatransfer yan?
Matatransfer sa Sindalan Elementary
LM?
School, Sindalan High School, San Isidro Integrated School, San Fernando Elementary School,
Okay.
and some sa DAVCAT.
Ilan ba?
DAVSU.
Ilan ba yung nag-exam for this year? Ang dami ata. Laging marami yan, di ba?
For this year, we have 7,051 for October only.
October lang yan. Kasi twice a year, sabi mo, no?
We had a little more than 8,000 last May. Last May.
So, dapat na-anunsyo kagad din yan, no? Yung mga
Yes,
dates.
oo.
Kasi ngayon, hindi ka na pwedeng sumali raw, sabi nila, dahil yung application.
Wala, nag-close na kami.
Nag-close na.
We only learned kasi of the changes dun sa sa paggamit namin ng school recently. So kaya nagpalabas na agad kami ng mga announcements na
Okay.
merong And for those who will not be receiving their notices
Oo.
by the time that a week before the examination, please call 455-3243 and 455-3245 or check our CSE website.
CSC website.
Oo.
Sino naman nahahanapin sa mga linyang binigay mo, ma'am? There's
Ito
always-
yung examination natin,
Oo,
division.
oo.
So,
Okay.
anybody who answers
Anybody there
can.
will
Yes.
know yung sasagot nila. Hindi sila nagla-lunch, ha? Kahit lunch.
Wala,
hindi sumasagot.
nag-alternate sila. Sa
Okay.
konti lang kami mga
Pero
empleyado.
dami yan,
but,
ha?
we can.
May 7,000 na naman yan.
7,000.
Madami-dami.
That includes Nueva Ecija already.
Nueva Ecija. Yung Aurora sa atin ba yan?
Yes, but usually they take the exam in Nueva Ecija.
Nueva Ecija, oo. Pero most of them now will do it in San Fernando and areas
Yes,
in Pampanga.
most would be in San Fernando.
Okay, so you have to expect that, ha? Mabuti naman yung hindi pa nakaka-exam. Sabi nga ni ma'am, security of tenure, no?
Yes.
Tapos yung beneficio, iba rin pag permanente
Benefits,
ka,
yes.
di ba?
Meron talagang
May
difference.
difference, malaking
Oo.
difference, no? Kaya yung iba talagang parang awang-awa ko, yung mga matagal na sa serbisyo, hindi makapasa-pasa.
Sana naman, maipasa nila.
Hindi naman pwedeng pag-exam yan, no? Yung iba, switching of the identity. Bawal din yun, di ba?
Bawal din yun. Oo.
Oo.
Wala na talagang aasahan, hindi na sila makakaasa na makakapasok pa sila sa
Baka
gobyerno.
mawala pa sila ng trabaho, no?
Oo. Dahil sa switching or
Oo.
cheating.
Anyway, ma'am, kami nagpapasalamat sa inyo. Napakalaki at napakaraming informasyon. Alam mo, natawa ako nung nalaman ko na talagang kayo gusto nyong magbigay ng informasyon. Hindi kagaya ng ibang government agency. Parang ayaw nilang magpa-interview, takot magpa-interview, gano'n. Kayo talaga, you're going out of your way.
Yes, we really want to reach out to a lot
Reaching out
more.
talaga.
Yes.
Service yan, di ba?
Yes.
Yung pagre-reach out.
Kasama din naman kasi yung para ipaalam yung mga mga patakaran at kung ano pa yung mga dapat na
Oo.
expectations ng mga,
Mga
public.
benepisyo, mga pwedeng puntahan. Malaking serbisyong...
Yes.
kaya yung ibang departamento, kailangan talagang you go out of your way to inform the public because ngayon, age of information na ngayon, di pwedeng, kaya yung Filipino, di man nafe-feel yung serbisyo ng gobyerno kanila, di ba? Pero meron naman dyan, di ba?
Meron na. Lalo na ngayong Thursday and Friday.
Oo.
Because we have the...
Galing mo talaga sa segue.
Yes.
No, yan, nakita ko totoo yan.
We have
Nakahabol
the...
ka.
Oo. Government Express at the
Oo.
malls. No? Ito ay nagpapakita lang na public service excellence at full speed. So, dadalhin namin sa mall, papakita namin, kaya na natin magbigay ng ganitong mga serbisyo.
Okay.
Itong free haircut, Sir Sunny, tsaka free massage therapy, ito ay gagawin ng mga trainees ng TESDA.
TESDA naman yan.
Oo, trainees ng TESDA
Parang
yan.
sister agency nyo rin yan, no?
Oo.
Oo, katulong din sa mga
Katulong
naghahanap
talaga yan
ng-
sa pag-aangat ng ekonomiya natin.
Oo.
Oo. Sila yung tumutugon dun sa mga kailangang mga skills.
Okay.
Okay. Oo. And then we have the issuance of passport applications.
Naku, matagal.
Merong job fair,
bumilis
no?
na.
Kasi ang SM gusto nila mag-job fair. Oo. Nag-join sila dun sa amin.
Wala naman kayong dates dito. 22 to 23
22
lang
to
to?
23 lang, dalawang
Oo.
araw lang sa SM City Pampanga.
Oo, kailangan announce bukas sa radyo to.
Yes, please.
Oo, we will...
Pakitulong sa amin. Kasama dito din yung may free call.
Oo.
Domestic
Sa
and
Libya, meron pa man tumatanggap ng call sa Libya
international.
tsaka sa Syria?
Ewan ko lang.
Okay.
But si Director Azor, si Chong,
Okay.
is really
masipag
very
yan.
helpful.
Oo.
Yes. Very supportive. Oo. So,
Okay.
marami actually itong mga
Dami nga eh.
services. Oo,
Kayong magkano ito?
really
Kayong nag-sponsor nito? I mean, you're the lead agency here.
We are the lead agency.
Okay.
We just got all the agencies together. Oo,
right.
Para dito.
Okay, this is very good. Dapat malaman ho ng ating mga kababayan to. So, ma'am, maraming salamat. Ha?
Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat again for your
Thank you for
visit.
the invitation.
Oo. Mga kaibigan, narinig po natin, no? Civil Service Commission, yung mga hindi pa pasado, mag-exam na. Kung hindi tayo makakahabol for this, hindi tayo nakaregister for this October, yung susunod, next year, meron na naman yan. At importante rin ho, nalalaman natin yung mga dapat na natatanggap natin benepisyo dahil kung minsan, ang dami palang meron na benepisyo, hindi natin alam. Kaya maganda rin yung ginagawa ng Civil Service Commission, going out of their way to reach out. Sana all government agencies, both local and national, will do the same. Para ho mas intindido ang ating mga kababayan na yung perang ginugugol ng pamahalaan sa serbisyo ay umaabot naman sa inyo. No? Okay. Thank you. You have a nice day. Ito po yung lingkod, Sunny Lopez, sa inyong programang Aksyon, Central Luzon, Special Edition.